Steve Hall, Ashford, Alabama, 44-1. Be around 30 steers, around 7.25 to deliver first, second week in October. They'll have over 100+ days. He's going to decide later what he's going to do with these heifers. But there's about 35 steers to choose from, Angus sired steers. Steve Hall, Ashford, Alabama, 44-1. 30 head of steers around 7.25. Really a nice set of number 1 muscle, medium and large frame Angus sired steers. And are predominantly Angus commercial cows. Again, it'll be somewhere around 30 steers, around 7.25, first, second week in October. Steve Hall, 44-1. The boys come over and help Steve work the cattle. 44-1. Steve Hall, Ashford, Alabama, 44-1.